These flowers are made from vegetables, but these are just for decoration. We can decorate it on the dining table to make it attractive. For making these flowers, we need radish, carrot, beetroot leaves, beetroot, long gourd, pumpkin, part of pumpkin, and one turnip. To join, we need toothpicks, all pins, and big sticks with pointed big sticks. We need knife, peeler, and scissors to cut them. Now we see how to make these flowers. First of all, we make stand like this. This should be little heavy, so we take a long gourd. Then we take leaves of beetroot to decorate these, or we can take from pumpkin shaving. We can decorate this stand like this. First of all, we peel off all vegetables like this. Like this. Now we cut round circles from vegetable. To make small flower, we cut from here. We cut triangles. We need not to cut very equally because all petals are never same. Very easy. See again. Now we need this scooper, which is available in the market. We can take out circles like this from any vegetable from this scooper. This is called scooper. This is half circle. We join here with the awl pin. We can put 2 flowers and then like this. If this is not enough, we can use this stick because it is very thick. First of all, we put the stand, decorative stand. Now we press here and put like this. We take small one, we take like this. Then in the end, we can put coriander leaves or carrot leaves from the carrot, and we can decorate like this.